What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This is the Corvette here. I'm at a classic car show that's a small one that I found, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get a quick video in just because, you know, I like going to shows. I like to see what people got. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and let's go ahead and get right into the video, guys. All right, guys, so we're at this car show here. It's a classic car show, and it's just a small one that I found, but I just kind of wanted to come check it out. And since it was a Saturday, and we're checking this out. Sorry about the background music. I'm trying to speak over it so that way I don't get a claim on it, but look at the interior of this classic Mustang here. Black paint, white and black leather interior. It's got some nice chrome wheels on the back side here. Here's a look at the back side here. Man, pretty clean. It's got the white top on it right there. That is pretty nice. And then right next to it, you have a red one, convertible. Red and white leather interior. That looks pretty nice. And then you have a BMW that just pulled up here. Looks like it keeps pretty clean, convertible top. All right, guys, we got these two crazy cars here. They came in and they were so loud. Challenger, it's got the kind of like the flat black paint on it. You can see the intake in there. This one's, or these both are probably straight drag cars because look, it's all gutted in the side. Look, you see the rivets on the window there, and you can't kind of see through it, sort of, but you can see the tachometer. I mean, this thing is straight drag car, so it's gonna go. That's kind of what it looks like right there. And the same thing with the blue Camaro over here. Look at the welds and the tires. Goodyear Eagle, same thing. Look, completely gutted. You can kind of see in there in the back tachometer on there, but yeah, this straight drag car. Look, cow hood on the top, and I mean this thing's gonna look. He's got drag wheels like crazy. Yeah, this thing was loud. Very, very nice though. Very nice. All right, we're gonna keep making it down. So we have a 1954 Plymouth Belvedere, I already say that. Like the paint, interesting color. It's got the convertible top. And right next to it, we have another classic Mustang, red. I really like the wheels on this. It's like your classic Mustang type wheel. And there's the engine bay and the same interior as well, matching. We'll get a shot of the inside and the back side as well. Oh, check it out, guys. We got a rat rod coming in. That thing is cool. It's got the old school kind of used paint work on there. Look at that. That is nice. So cool. All right, and then we're here at yours truly. I'm the only modern really here, but that's okay. Check it out, guys. The rat rod is parked right next to me. Cool. Pretty cool. Look, he's got even a picture on there. And then this really nice old school GTO. Let's get a shot. Got the white leather interior, guys. That is so clean there. A little shot of the back. And then you got another Camaro here. A shot of the interior. Very clean, very clean. See the headers right there. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. C28. And then we got a Chevy SS over here. It says 396. Check that out. And then we'll go to the side. Black and brownish. interior here. Here's a shot of the back. And then we'll come back up to the front so we can see the front again. .50 high performance. Same thing, leather interior, and then to match the color. And you got your Thunderbird over here, more newer V8 model. All right, then we got another classic over here, like that 50s. And another Mustang over here. 390 cubic inches is what it shows on there. Fastback. Oh, but guys, check that out. Look at that. Oh my God. That is so nice right there. Holy cow, man. Oh, it's coming back, guys. Just that design is insane. My gosh. I would love that. Sounds good. And we got a trailer attached to this other car here. Pretty interesting. It's like a little rail setup. You can see it. Engine. Little 6-cylinder. You can kind of see the whole thing here now right there, and then here's the car it's attached to. Like that. Guys, we have another Camaro coming in. I mean, look at this. Look at this. This is insane. And then I'll show you the tires. Look at the tires on the back. Mickey Thompson, E.T. Street SS's. And you can just kind of see it like that. Pretty blue wrap. But look at the hood. It's got that huge hood there. 74. Absolutely crazy. That's awesome. Oh, look, we got another Corvette coming in. Look at that hood. Look, it's coming out of the hood. C4. Sounds good. It's loud. And then another Camaro right here coming in. Man, look at those. Yeah, it sounds good when it's backing up. All right, guys, I found a couple of Mustangs over here that should be in the show, regardless whether they're classic or not. Nice red 5.0 right over here, S550 model. There's his. And San Antonio S550 is what shows on the window, quarter window. I like that, I like that. And then right next to it, a Bullet. Mustang Bullet. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, man, they should have been over in the car show area. Still nice. Look at that. Mustang Bullet. That classic green color. Very nice right there. And right next to it, I did see this one. It's got an interesting wrap. 01 Redbird Realty. All right, guys. Well, that was a pretty small show. I just wanted to come out real quick and get the video for y'all. So, hope y'all enjoyed it. More videos to come. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. This is the Road Vet out. And to the next video, guys. Peace.